Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check Ria Money Transfer status. For that, first of all, you will have to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Ria Money Transfer. So here you need to simply type this query. Now once you search for it, you will find the official website of riamoneytransfer.com. So you need to simply tap on that and you will be landed on the official website. Now over here, you need to simply tap on the three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen, and here you will see the option of track a transfer. So once you tap on track a transfer, you will be shown this type of section where basically you just have to provide the PIN or the order number of that particular transfer, the status of which you want to basically check. If you don't have the PIN or the order number, they are also going to show you how you can basically find that. You are going to get the email and you can find that from your email, or if you have the online transfer, you will see it, the digital copy of it stored on your online account. So you can get your PIN code from any of these options, and you need to provide that and tap on the track transfer option here in the bottom. So this way it will show you the status of your money transfer. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.